Alright, this is B-Boy here. Giving you the truth, giving you what you need, the results, live a better and successful life for you and your family. Alright, so this is my plan. The plan is that you contact me ASAP for any type of cases, for any type of debt, for any type of child support. Contact me, and I got the remedy to get what you need, the proper results, so you're not spending an arm and a leg. And my information is well established and guaranteed to get results because it's the law and it's written. It's been out here promoted by these big time, big names. I don't need to say exactly what names, but you know, the ones that's on YouTube and the ones that's online, these law professors and these law gurus, their biggest packages I done invested in. And now I got it. So now instead of paying the arm and the leg, and let me correct myself, not paying the arm and the leg, but instead of donating an arm and a leg, you can donate to me for a fraction of that cost, and I'll give you the same exact information that get the same exact results. Tested, proven, and tried. You folks want to eliminate debt, foreclosures, bankruptcies, get that removed. You want to do some type of situation where you can live peaceably. You want to be in a better situation in life where you can drive to the grocery store without having to be harassed and put in jail by these corrupt officers out here. They hit me up for this do not detain list. All right. Within it, it's a forgiveness letter. It's a forgiveness debt letter from from the office of the executive, forgiving all debt. And it's very, very effective, very powerful. And it's on the common law side. So these corporate, corny actors, corrupt actors, don't have superiority over common law. Common law is fundamental foundation. Foundation. Excuse me. So yeah, but straight to the point, yo, this is the lion coming at you. I ain't trying to hurt nobody, and I don't want to hurt nobody. And I'm not going to ask you for a whole mortgage payment for 2 or 3 years to get a process that's been well established. I don't understand why these law gurus do it if the process is working for them, which I know it is because they're very successful and they've been doing this stuff for years and they've been promoting it for years. So, getting good results and got a lot of testimonies. And I mean, I like to add, I'm one of those testimonies myself. So I still don't understand. Well, how can they charge? Okay, let me correct myself as incorrect charge. How can they not charge, but how can they ask for the amount of donations that they do? And you already making money, you're already making cash. I mean, you're already benefiting from the process. I'm benefiting from the process, as you can see. So you want the right results that's well established, tested, tried, and proven without paying an arm and a leg, without donating an arm and a leg, correction, without donating an arm and a leg, then hit me up. And I got what you need to get the right results for a fraction of the cost, for no more than your average grocery store list. All right. The number is 216-230-8005. Hit me up ASAP and I'll get it to you. And that's the do not detain. In that list, I got the the removal of the federal student loans process on that list. I got the beating the child support, getting that eliminated, terminated instantly, almost instantly. Okay, not taking months. I mean, whether amount of within 30 days. Okay, so this process is very thorough. It's step by step. It's very instructional and is tested and proven. And a lot of testimonies has been behind it. And so I tend to only go with, what works, with people I have success stories with. So again, I got these big packages, and that for astronomical amount of donations to me was highly unnecessary. But I did what I had to do to secure the package of the information of the process, all right, so I can apply for myself lawfully and then turn around and give it back to the people for a fraction of the cost. You want what work? Hit me up. And that's 216-230-8005. And I'll be waiting. Not too long, because after a while, I'll be too busy tending my own. I'm getting more properties and working the process. Getting rich off the process, not getting rich off the people who need it. You're on for the people for real. The law gurus, they don't like me. They call me the Robin Hood. All right. And you figure that part out. All right. So yeah, be checking out. And I look forward to hearing from you men and women. And again, I'm not trying to break nobody nor cause anybody to be homeless, but stop people from being homeless. This stuff works on foreclosures. This stuff stops court cases in its tracks. All right. And not only just stop them, but it gets them closed and it prevent them from happening. All right. Once you get on that do not detain list, I'm sure you heard about it out there. You're talking to one right now. They got the facts. They got the truth. They got what works. It's written. It's well established. And I'll talk to you then. Be out. Yep. You want these results? Hit me up. I'm here for you, my people. I ain't trying to hurt you. I ain't trying to tax you. I'll leave that up to the corrupt politicians. All right, then, y'all. Peace out.